Hi, this is Arun. I am working in Ibis Style. So now we are preparing some cocktails which is in the hub. It's our bar. Now I am going to prepare Tequila Sunrise. For this we need drinks and ingredients. First of grenadines, then after any tequila and orange juice. So first of all we will start from, we have to keep a glass for chilling. I will place it here. Then after we will take some ice in the shaker and we will add tequila, 60 ml of tequila. (20 ml of grenadine). 90 ml of orange juice. Then after we will keep ready our glass and we will shake this. Then after I will pour it in our cocktail glass. And I will garnish it with some orange. Now your cocktail is ready. Tequila Sunrise.